Hi everybody, it's Brian at Field Van. Today we're here looking at a Summit S1 series floor plan, but an alternative version of that plan. So at Field Van, every van we do is custom for your needs. We have a full range of custom options for layout and everything else, but even within what we call our standard plans, there are some alternative versions that are really neat. Let's check this one out. So the Summit S1 plan can be done on really any of our vans, very often paired with a pop top. In this particular one, we have it on a Mercedes 4x4 chassis. Starting in the front of the van, as always, we're getting swivel seats. So factory swivel seats, those seats are gonna turn around, allow people to sit in that area. In the Summit 1 plan, that's really nice because in the back you have the couch. Combined with the swivel seats, really makes an awesome seating area for everyone to kind of hang out in there, especially in bad weather. This is a gorgeous van. So this actually has our deep blue seat cabinets, butcher block counter, turned out really, really nice. Refrigerator right behind the driver's seat. Then we move into a cabinet with several drawers and an area for a portable cassette toilet. So the difference in this between our standard Summit 1 plan would be that in a standard plan, this whole wall is a giant row of cabinets. In this van, we've taken the couch and we've run it all the way across the van. A couple reasons we do this. So one is it makes a really big bed, so almost a king size bed in there. So my own personal van was a version of this van. I have 2 kids. My wife and I both wanted each kid to have their own full shoulder harness seat belt, not just lap belts. Another thing is you add this big window. When I'm sitting here, I can see almost full 360 around, which is amazing. If I'm gonna drive through epic areas, I want my kids to be able to see it. I don't want them staring at the wall right here. The point of these vans is to go to epic places. You definitely wanna see them. With the lack of those storage cabinets, you might be asking yourself, well, where do I store the clothing? Where does all my gear go? So in my own van, with our family, we did a lot of weekend 3 and 4 day trips, which is really ideal for this plan. I would have every family member would have a backpack. We'd utilize L-Track. So L-Track on both sides. You can run a strap across this. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. But one of the things I would do is with everyone's clothing bag, simply using carabiner and L-Track hookups, backpack goes there. I could do 2 backpacks on this side, 2 backpacks on that side. Everybody's clothing for the weekend's set and ready to go. So even though this version of the Summit 1 is a little bit more minimalistic in its cabinetry, it still has all the comforts of home. So you have your heater, your water heater, you have an exterior shower with a hot shower out the back of the van, good sized refrigerator to get all our food and drinks, induction stove to do some cooking, breakfast in the morning, whatever we want, full sink. Over here, we have our Elwell system. So our Elwell Timberline, which is our full hot water and heater using diesel from the vehicle's fuel tank. We have a 360 amp hours of lithium in this van, so plenty of power for our induction stove, charging devices, electric tea kettle, whatever we want to run. We have 200 watts of solar, so we have 2 100 watt Zamp Obsidian solar panels up top. So in general, really still all the comforts of home, nice, comfortable space, really open feel. In this van, we also have our Field Van Pop Top. We talked about seating everyone really comfortably and everyone be able to travel really comfortably, but this van sleeps everyone really comfortably as well. Up top, you have our penthouse bed with our pop tops. So usually adults down here, kids up top, everyone's really happy, really comfortable place for everyone to sleep. So our rear area of this van, very similar to the S1 plan, the standard version. We have our removable rear mattress here, so this can come out to store taller items if we want to. Plenty of storage here for outdoor items, camp chairs, barbecue, things like that. We have our exterior shower, which is standard in all our plans. Hot shower, ready to go. Storage in our doors. So in all of our doors, this is standard in all our plans. So there's our shower hose, a great place to put our accessories. The one option in the back of this van too is you can add an additional rear cabinet on the driver's side. So that's another way to make an alternative version of this plan. But to really top it off, you gotta have some accessories. So on this van, we have quite a few. We have our friends over at Alvan, we have our tire carrier here. We also have our rear Sherpa rack. So Sherpa rack's awesome because you can change the accessories you put on it. So here we put an Alvan's medium expedition box, which will hold some of your dirty items. But you could also put Max Tracks, Roto Packs, fuel containers, take this off and put vertical bike carriers, really whatever you want on this plan, and you can change it, which is awesome. So as we walk around, we have our Fiamma awning, which is pretty standard on most of our plans, but awnings are great to add that outdoor living space. Wheels and tires, so we have our Method wheels, we have our BF Goodrich KO2 tires. As you can see here, this van is equipped with suspension, so it has an agile RIP kit. So RIP is Ride Improvement Package. Makes this van ride better all around. Better off-road, better on the highway, just better in general. As we move to the front of this van, he's got a California tuned off-road front bumper. We have our Warn winch. So you gotta have your Baja Designs LP9s. These will light the way for off-road driving. So that's the alternative full width couch version of our Summit S1 plan. If you like this plan, give us a call. Every family's different, every van's different. We have a van for everybody.